happened the other day. I was at the hospital, pulled up, dropping off my wife, my son. A guy walks past, we know the brother. A regular person coming to the masjid. But now there are people walking past. Half naked people walking, and he's walking with his walking stick. And I looked at him to try and catch eye contact. He looked at me and went straight. Oh, why don't you give salam? Are you telling me they look at your face and saying, Masha, you're British, you? They can see you're not, yar. What's wrong with you? They know you are not a British person. I can pull off being more British because I'm half English. But my own family, who are English, they will see me in the street. Oh, sir, you're alright, and come and give me a hug. And really, what's happened to the Muslim? Why are we so jahil for? Why we become so inferiority complex orientated? Subhanallah, don't we realize that if we die on Iman, our destination is Jannah? This is what Allah has given this ummah. Now walk past, but I'm afraid to say the word Assalamu alaikum, just in case I get I'm Muslim, they'll find out I'm a Muslim. They don't know who you are. And if they do, so what? I pulled up in a car once at traffic lights. One guy, whenever he would see me, would say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, full tajweed. We pull up at a traffic light, he had a passenger, and he opened the door, hello, and I said, please. He knows you're a Muslim, brother. He knows. And he, just all afraid then. Looking in the mirror every few seconds. Kahin churi to na lag jaye. Tawbah astaghfar, yaar. Why I ask you? We are the ummah of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah gave us sharaf through Islam.